See, in the periodic table, the first element is hydrogen. The hydrogen specific nature is it doesn't have the neutron. Generally, in the elements, electron, proton, neutrons are present, but without a neutron, only one element, that is hydrogen. That is a unique property. As well, in the universe, the most abundant element is hydrogen. Most abundant, matlab more availability in the universe mein. If you take universe, most abundant element is hydrogen. Okay, it's over. Now, the least atomic number and most stable element is helium. This helium is inert in nature. Many times you heard about helium balloons. Helium balloons. And lithium. Lithium, sodium, potassium, these three are alkali metals, are basic nature. This lithium, you can see the mobile battery. On the mobile battery, it will be there, lithium ion battery. Beryllium is using in the alloys. Beryllium is used in the alloys. What are the alloys? Means mixed metals. 2-3 metals, and metal and non-metal is mixing, that is alloy. Example, our gold ornaments. Gold ornament is one of the alloy, because in the gold ornaments, gold is there plus copper is there. Without copper, they don't make any ornament. Gold ornaments, right? That is one. As well, brass. As well, brass and bronze. Bronze. Okay, these are ये घर पे भी रहता है. Next, best example you can understand, steel. Steel plates are there, steel glass. That is also good alloy, right? Next, boron. Boron also used in the alloys, as well as it is used in the bulletproof jackets. Bulletproof jackets. It has so many advantages. As well, the nuclear power projects, to prevent that nuclear radioactivity, they will make the walls to protect the from the radiation. As well, it is used in the aluminum alloys. Next, this boron is used in the borax powder. Borax is there. Borax, you may heard this borax powder. Generally in the home, the food items may be used karte to prevent that insects. Borax powder. As well, in the sports section may carom board, maximum students they played. In the carom board may we will use some powder. That powder is nothing but borax powder only. Next, carbon. Without carbon, there is no organic chemistry. Okay, organic chemistry completely depends on the carbon. Nitrogen. In air, maximum quantity is there nitrogen. In our body, amino acids, proteins, DNA, RNA, it may be nitrogen is there. Oxygen nowadays is very, very essential. Of course, every time is essential, but due to this COVID situation, oxygen cylinder scarcity is there in India and all over the worldwide. So oxygen is life. Then fluorine. Fluorine is a halogen. It is present in the toothpaste. You can see today after the class, toothpaste may ek bar read that what chemicals are there. The fluoride is present, okay, in the toothpaste. Then neon. Neon is again inert gas. We have 3 inert gases: helium, neon, argon, up to 20. So this neon and argon is used in the electric bulbs. Okay. Then sodium. salt, table salt, NaCl is there. In the NaCl, here sodium, in this line ending is chlorine. Sodium and chlorine. Okay. Then magnesium, it is also metal. The magnesium ribbon, it will give dazzling light if you burn it. You learn up to 10th class, that experiment also is there. Next, aluminium. In our home, maximum utensils are made by aluminium. As well, planes are made by aluminium. Maximum aluminium is used in the planes because less weight is required. Then silicon. If you go outside or at your home also, maximum silicon. Sand, wherever you see the sand. Sand means silicon. The hills, the silicon is there. Phosphorus. In your bones and teeth, phosphorus will be there. Then sulfur. Sulfur is present in egg yolk, that yellow color. Egg yolk mein sulfur will be there. It is also required to our health. Then potassium, it is also one of the metal. The sodium, lithium, sodium, potassium, these are soft metals. That means we can cut with a knife. We can cut with knife. As well, these are explosive. These are explosive in the water. If you put it in the water, those will be burned. Explosive with just like blasting type, giving flame as well as with big sound. So these metals stored in the paraffin oil or kerosene. You know that kerosene. So kerosene में store करते, because if it is any moisture is there, these metals react with moisture and becoming explosive also. That's why we are keeping in this. Then calcium. So up to 20 mein last element is calcium. In school and college mein, the teachers will write chalks on the board. So the chalk is made by calcium carbonate as well. This calcium is present in your bones especially. Okay, little introduction about up to 20 elements. Hydrogen is most abundant element in the universe. If we come up to earth, on the earth crust and earth surface, oxygen is most abundant element, 46%. Why? Because our earth is almost 3/4 is water. 3/4 is water. In the water, oxygen only maximum. That's why oxygen is there. Then after that oxygen, next sand, silicon is there. Silicon. Sand means not silicon. Sand mein SiO2 will be there. SiO2, silicon dioxide. So oxygen however is there maximum. After the oxygen, second element is silicon. Next, in our home, if you see maximum, which metal is there? Aluminium. Third most. After that, everywhere outside, bridges, cars, all vehicles and everything is made by even iron. In the home construction also, it is used. Iron. Fourth abundant. बस इतना तो याद रखो up to fourth. Then calcium, sodium, magnesium is there. It's okay. Then here one magnesium important point is there. Magnesium. See, these are simple points I am telling, but these points you can find it in the PYQs, previous year questions. That means NEET and JEE mains previous year's questions may you can see some questions whatever I am teaching now. This magnesium is present in plants leaves. The plant leaves are green in color. Okay, so in the green in color, that is chlorophyll is there. Chlorophyll. In the chlorophyll, magnesium is present. In the chlorophyll, magnesium is present. What is the purpose of that chlorophyll? Photochemical reaction takes place due to that chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is like one enzyme. Okay, chlorophyll like enzyme. In that enzyme this magnesium is there. ये PYQs में आया था NEET. If you know the atomic number, today I am going to teach here how to calculate atomic mass. How to calculate atomic mass. See, for atomic mass, for odd number of elements, for odd number means here in the serial number में odd number elements, for odd number elements, the atomic mass, the symbol is A. Atomic mass A equal 2 into atomic number plus 1. Atomic number plus 1. For even atomic number elements, the mass is equal to 2 into atomic number. Just this simple formulas you can remember, so maximum problem solve हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Next, third point is exception. This thing you had to remember. Okay, exceptions. We have exceptions 5. Up to 25 exceptions are there. In that 5 exceptions, the first one is hydrogen. Atomic number 1. Then atomic number 4, beryllium. Atomic number 7, nitrogen. Up to 10, 3 exceptions. Above 10, 2 exceptions. That is chlorine and argon. What are the exceptions here? Say odd number means 2 into plus 1 means it should be 3, but it is completely wrong. 1 is the answer. That's why it is exception. We have to remember. Already I told you starting में hydrogen only one element in the periodic table without neutron. So that's why the mass obviously will be changed. Next, beryllium even number, so our expectation is 8, but it is wrong. 9 is correct answer. Someone joining now. Next, nitrogen atom, atomic number 7, so our expectation is 15, but it is wrong. 14 is correct answer. Right. 17, chlorine is there. Our expectation is 35, but 35.5 is answer. Next, 18, that means 36 is our expectation, but it is 40. See, so much difference here. Okay, these 5 things you have to remember. Okay, इसमें argon and beryllium is very rare cases, क्योंकि many compounds not there. Then remaining hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine, many times it will come, so you have to remember carefully. Okay, now what about remaining elements? ये 5 elements तो हो गया. 10 below 3, 10 above 2. 10 below 3 में that first one is hydrogen. Forgot about this hydrogen. One first over. So now you 10 below 2, 10 above 2. That's only. Okay. Next. Now atomic mass. Atomic mass तो हो गया ना, right? Molecular mass. Molecular mass you have to calculate. Now I am giving CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Now you have to write like this. One calcium is there, one carbon is there, one oxygen is there. How many are there? 1, 1, these are 3. Each calcium, what is the calcium atomic mass? First you have to know atomic number. So I am writing here atomic number. It is 20, it was 6, it was 8. So 20 means even number, so obviously double hoga 40. 1 into 40, 40. Here 6, that means 12. 12. Even number, so double 8, 16, that means 48. What about the total? 48, 12, that is
100.
60 plus 40, 100. Understood how to do?
Yes, sir.
One more example I will give you.
Yes, sir.
H2SO4 sulfuric acid. First you write this. See, every time no need to write like this, but starting you have to understand the concept. Later directly you can do. I will tell. So hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. How many atoms are there? 2. This is 1. This is 4. So exception the hydrogen, that is 1 equal to 2. Atomic number of sulfur 16. Atomic number of oxygen 8. 16 means it is 32. 32. Atomic number 8 means 16. 16 4 ja 64. Answer will be 98. Got it? Hello, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now little difficult one I will give you once. Aluminium sulfate. If you able to do this one, best to perfect. Even though I will explain this one. See, the problem will come here. How many atoms are there? There the students will confuse. Aluminiums to 2 are there. Yes, sulfur. How many sulfurs are there here? Anyone can tell? How many
3.
sulfurs?
3.
3 sulfurs. How many oxygens are there?
12.
Very good.
12.
Yes, yes, 12. If you know that atoms, so 50% of the problem is solved. Who is this Savitri Komble? What you are writing? Prathamesh Jonjal क्या था? Are you here, Savitri? Hello. Prathamesh, are you here? Either Prathamesh or Savitri here. Okay. So aluminium 2, sulfur 1 is sulfur 3 are there. Oxygen 12. Oxygen 12. See, if you don't know, that meaning is here SO4 का bracket है. That means SO4s are 3 are there. That is the meaning of that. SO4. Aluminium 2 means 2 aluminiums are there. Okay. Then individually we are counting 1, 2, 3. 3 sulfurs, 4 into 3. 12 oxygens. Then atomic number 13, 16, 8. So this one becomes aluminium, means 27, sulfur 32, this is 16. Anyone can do the total? I will do my shortcut method.
352.
352. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
See, one more. See, already if you learn thoda. So just before we discussed H2SO4. H2SO4 का कितना था? 98 था. So उसमें 2 निकाले तो फिर सल्फेट का होगा 96. कभी भी 96. ये फिक्स्ड है. ओके. दूसरा मेथड, शॉर्टकट मेथड में 96 इंटू 3 18, 27, 28 plus aluminium 27 into 2 54. Then this is also one of the method. To 42 I got it. 352 due to
Sir,
Sorry, yeah, 298, right. 298, 52, right. Okay, this is the one more method, or you can do like this also. So molecular formulas, I think everyone you perfect. So more perfection will come when you solve the number of question. That's only concept though I explained here. Concept is this much. So some more perfection you will get by practicing many questions. Yes, here some examples are there. Can you calculate this C6H12O6? C6H12O6. Yes, do it. C6H12O6. What is the answer?
96.
96 is the wrong answer, beta. Who calculated? Post in the this message. Write in the message answer. C6H12O6. Only 2 students replied. Everyone should be. Either it may be correct or wrong, just you reply, you have to reply, you try it. Only 2 students.
180.
Yes, beta, 180 is the correct answer. 180 is the correct answer. Some students got it 117. Why they got it? I will see. C6H12O6. See, कार्बन का 12 होता है. 12 into 6. How much? 72. Okay, कार्बन का total carbon mass. Total hydrogen mass 12. Total oxygen mass, each oxygen 16. 16 into 6. 96. है ना? 96. 6 plus 4 10. This 10 18 180. Very simple. You can do this. So that's why you have to practice more questions. Then you will get perfection. Everyone, you understood this glucose carbon total 72. How I got it 72? 12 into 6. 72. Each hydrogen 1, total 12 hydrogens. So 12. Each oxygen 16, total 6 oxygens. 16 into 6. 96. The grand total is 180. Got it? One small question. NaCl. See here, NaCl, it is not molecular mass. It is not molecular mass. It is called formula mass. Formula mass. But in the calculation, there is no difference. Molecular mass, formula mass, just words are different. The formula mass word we are using for ionic compounds. Okay, for ionic compound, that's only the difference. But in the numerical में there is no change at all. Molecular formula किसके लिए? Molecular formula generally using for covalent molecules. Okay, covalent molecule. That is only difference. For calculation there is no difference. Yes, tell me. NaCl molecular or formula mass is
56.
only 56. सो क्लोरीन का एक्सेप्शन था 35.5 था. Sodium is atomic number 11. 11 means odd number. Double plus 1, 23. Chlorine atomic number 17. It should be 35, but exception में था वो 35.5. So answer will be 58.5. Hello, got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these things you will get perfection. You have to learn the atomic number first as well atomic mass. Atomic mass के लिए ट्रिक तो बताया मैं. 5 elements you have to remember. Okay, next. So these are the examples. Next, you had to know about ions and atoms. Anyone can tell one difference between ions and atoms? Ions and atoms, anyone can tell one difference? Okay, I am writing. These are charged particles. These are charged particles. These are neutral. These are neutral. Example, hydrogen is atom. H plus and H minus are ions. Oxygen is atom. Oxygen 2 minus is ion. Chlorine is atom. Chloride Cl minus is ion. Okay, this is the difference. Aluminium is atom. Aluminium plus 3 is ion. Sodium is atom. Sodium plus is ion. I think now you got it, understood. Now, why these ions are forming? Why these ions are forming? See, these ions are forming because to get stability. These ions are forming because to get stability. See here, hydrogen has only one electron. It is unstable. It is unstable. So how we came to know, how we will get to know which is stable? For stability, how many electrons it will take? That's why again you have to learn atomic number elements. So from hydrogen to calcium, I told you 3 inert gases are there, that is helium, neon, argon. Helium atomic number 2, neon atomic number 10, argon atomic number 18. You have to remember these 3 elements. These are most stable elements. Most stable elements. Most stable elements. These are also known as inert gases. These are also known as inert gases. Why? What is the meaning of inert gas? Inert gas means no reaction. Why no reaction? Because already stable. These are all chemical reactions taking place because to get stability. If it is already stable, what is the required to do reaction? Okay, so the final concept is this atomic number 2, 10, 18 up to 20 elements I am telling you. Helium, neon, argon. In the periodic table, that 18th group elements. 18th group elements are stable elements. Most stable elements are inert gas. Okay, right. So in any element, if it has either 2 electrons or 10 electrons or 18 electrons, if those are having these number either 2 or 10 or 18 electrons, those are stable. Those are stable. See here, once you can see here, this oxygen is there, atomic number 8. Oxygen atomic number is 8. So how many electrons are there in the oxygen? Anyone can tell? 8 electrons are there. Atomic number, whatever atomic number is there, those many electrons and those many protons are there. 1 point. See, atomic, see, first of all, the symbol, element symbol is shown by Z, X, A. Z means atomic number, the down part, atomic number. The above one, superscript, is atomic mass. Atomic mass. This atomic number Z equal to number of protons as well number of electrons in the neutral atom. Okay. So here 8 atomic number means 8 electrons are there, 8 protons are there. 8 protons are there. Proton is positive, electron is negative. Total neutral. Right. But see the left side, right side, either 2 electron or 10 electron or 18 electron is stable. For getting the stability, this 8 electrons oxygen required 2 more electrons. 2 more electrons. So it is taking 2 electrons forming O2 minus. O2 minus. So now it is stable. Now it is stable. Now we understood why oxygen is only O minus 2, why not O minus 1, O plus 3 or plus 1 or O minus 3. So comparatively this one is most stable. Why? Because in O2 minus 10 electrons are there. Whenever the electron number, the sum of electrons, if it is equal to either 2 or 10 or 18, those are stable. Next example you can see here, chlorine, atomic number 17. What is the nearest 17 most stable number? 18 is stable. That's what this chlorine will do. Chlorine taking 1 electron and forming Cl minus chloride ion. Now it is stable. Now it is stable. Next, last example. See, aluminum atomic number 13. See, 13 is there in between 10 and 18. Which is the nearest place? Obviously 10 is the nearest. So what it will do? It will lose the electrons. It will lose the electrons. How many electrons it will lose? 3 electrons it will lose. It will lose 3 electrons. It is forming aluminum plus 3 or 3 plus you can write. What about sodium? Sodium has 11 electrons but 10 is more stable. That's why it is losing 1 electron and forming Na plus. What is this plus indicating? 1 electron lost. Plus 3, 3 electron lost. 2 minus, 2 electrons gained. Okay, this much everyone you understood?
Yes, sir.
So why these ions are forming and why that particular number only is stable? You got it this? Okay, once you reply in the message, yes, understood or not. If you understood, yes, otherwise no. If you say no, where you did not understand. I am watching these messages, do it fast. Yes, understood. Yes, yes. more minutes. I will tell one easy logic. I will tell you, then I will stop the class. See, helium, neon, argon. These are more stable elements. So, next, after helium, element is lithium, beryllium, boron, कार्बन. नियान के बाद सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन. आर्गन के बाद पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम. बिफोर द आर्गन, क्लोरीन, सल्फर, फास्फोरस, सिलिकॉन. फ्लोरीन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन. Here only hydrogen. This atomic number is 2, 10, 18. See, lithium is there. Lithium has 3 atomic number, 3 electrons are there. So what it will do? It will lose 1 electron. So these are getting +1. कभी भी +1 oxidation number. Means these elements always losing 1 electron, getting stable. What about beryllium? Beryllium losing 2 electrons. Magnesium also 2, calcium also 2. What about boron? +3. Aluminum +3. What about carbon? +4. +4. Next, hydrogen, if it is getting 1 electron, helium configuration, so stable. F minus, Cl minus. Oxygen -2, sulfur -2, nitrogen -3, phosphorus -3, carbon -4, silicon -4. You may get again doubt, sir, you written here carbon -4, you written here carbon +4. So which one we have to take? Now you can take just numerical. Okay, just you can take numerical. When you will get to know electron negativity, then that time we can decide either positive or negative. Okay, simple in one word, if more electronegative atom is there, that time carbon will show positive. Less electronegative is there, that time carbon show negative. Okay, now what about hydrogen? Hydrogen again little exception. H minus also is there, H plus also is there, H plus also. At least this much you learn today. Tomorrow I will tell you some more examples, how to write chemical formulas perfectly. Then average atomic mass, tomorrow we will discuss. If it is completed, then isotopes, isobars, isotones in the next class. Okay.